Okay, ready.
I'm Riley Margraves, and I'm going to tell you the story of the book called Is a Blue Whale the Biggest Thing There Is? Now, is a blue whale the biggest thing there is? No, it is not. Its tongue weighs more than an elephant, and if you took 100 blue whales, put them in a jar, stack 10 of those jars up with 100 blue whales in them, and put it on Mount Everest would still be taller than that. If you stacked them up on Mount Everest, it wouldn't reach to space, but if you stacked 10 Mount Everest up, it would be a little whisker to the world, and it would go up to space. Now, is that the biggest thing there is? No, there's much bigger. The world is bigger than it. But is the sun bigger? Yes. If you took 100 worlds and put them in a bag, the sun would still be bigger. And now, is the sun the biggest thing there is? No. If you took an orange that was the size of a sun, put 100 of them in this big big container, there's this star, and that would not be bigger than that big star. Is that star the biggest thing there is? No, there is even bigger. That is the galaxy. The galaxy is bigger than that. And is the galaxy the biggest thing there is? No, there's the universe. And there are more galaxies, but there is a part of the universe that's all we know. And the universe goes on for long and long, but scientists are still studying how long the universe is. Thank you for watching my video.